Lily, get down here right now. It's time for school.
Jesus, Dad, take a chill pill.
Okay class, turn to page 13 of your textbook.
Hey sir, can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Sure you can, Lily, just be back real quick because we are about to do something.
Alright, now I am out. It is time to pull the fire alarm for a prank even though it is overused. Ha 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 ha.
Lily, Lola, Anderson, get over here right now, you are in deep trouble. I have just so happened to have caught surveillance tapes of you pulling the fire alarm. You should know that we take those drills very serious here. That's it, now I have no choice but to call your stepdad Roris to pick you up. Hello, is this Roris Anderson? Good. I would like to tell you that your stupid daughter Lily pulled the fire alarm and sent everyone into a panic. Oh great, you are coming to pick her up. Okay, see you soon, bye.
Lily, I cannot believe what you did. We are going home now. Lily, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That is it. You are grounded for until your suspension time is over. Go to your room now.
Wah,